Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Kapsile gets a new perspective about her future, and he gets excited when he sees Mtambisi arrive. And Mtambisi apologized to Kapsile that he is late, but Kapsile does not matter that he is late. He is better to be later than never. And it seems like Kapsile is enjoying to be with Mtambisi. While the Makwaza realize that the enemy is someone they need to fear when they found Jinji on the gate, and Jinji is full of blood on their face. Nonka begs for forgiveness after betray a closest all confidence, while Lily found her victorious moment in the new evidence she found about Madlala. And it seems like it's near to get Madlala and found the kidnappers. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.